Good afternoon. This is Trading with Teddy on Thursday, September 1st, right ahead of the college football season, so we've got that going for us. What else we have going for us is tomorrow's non-farm employment report, right ahead of the Labor Day weekend. The biggest number in years. Yeah, we hear that about every month, right? But yeah, it should be interesting. It's an excuse for the market to move. What we're looking at is the silver market. You know, interest in gold and silver has been waning. You know, in my opinion, that's my feel for it. The market's in a sideways corrective mode, and it's nice from the standpoint that sentiment is so overwhelmingly bullish, and I think for good reason. But when sentiment gets this bullish, there is some cause for concern for the bull camp. But over the last few weeks, as the market has gone sideways, this little bit of correction, I think interest has fallen out. That's a perfect excuse to potentially look to take a long position. So that's something we're looking at specifically in the October $20, $21 call spreads. They're trading about 10 cents, or in real money, that translates to $500 each, with the maximum potential to take back out $5,000. That gives you a little bit of exposure, and the biggest component to that is that risk is limited to that 10 cents you pay for the spread. So it was about 6 weeks ago, silver was up over 21. So that is well within range. Silver's trading at about $18.92 right now. It's certainly a shot that we like taking, risk reward wise into that number to get some exposure. But again, the sentiment does make me a little bit leery because gold and silver sentiment is so overwhelmingly bullish, as I've mentioned. It is. And always be on guard for a pullback. So that's really about the only thing that concerns us. I mean, certainly the market can move lower. I think ultimately we want to be long. In the metals, the gold-silver ratio is still historically elevated to, near 70. You can pull up a chart of that and see that it's starting to roll over, and it has been for the last month or so. So essentially what that means is silver has miles of catch up to play in terms of where it's at with gold. So to see a $1.50, $2 rally in silver over the next few weeks would not be surprising at all. And as always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services or Archer Financial Services. Thank you.